Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to get a couple clips of everything that I'm cooking this week. So today is Tuesday and I am just sauteing some vegetables. So I got white onion and some little bell peppers that are like one of these little peppers cut up, and some mushrooms, and I just make the peppers separately, or the mushrooms separately, in like a sauce, the mushrooms. But this time I think I'm gonna make it into a little omelet. So we'll see. This is kind of a lot of veggies, but yeah, I gotta film it real quick. Alright, so here I have my veggies and I throw in the eggs, and it was just kind of like a scrambled egg on top. So I was making like a little omelet on top of the veggies. And of course, the day that I am cooking this or filming it, I mess up, but usually it turns out better. Here is some guac in the next clip. Got ground turkey and guacamole. Happy Monday! Who needs to wait to Tuesday for tacos? Taco Monday. Yeah. The guacamole is hidden, disguised by cheese. This is a lemon chicken I baked, and I just threw that in there. These clips are from like just food that I've made in the past couple weeks, because I didn't get a chance to record everything that I made last week. Like I made shrimp tacos, or shrimp potato, and I made tacos. But here is shrimp pasta, I believe I made that day. So here's a video of the pasta all done. I fried the shrimp and then I threw in the noodles and stuff. And here, these are my little omelet mini cups. Little omelet and cupcakes. After they're all done, sprinkling cheese on top. Done. Sprinkling some cheese. This is really tasty, and you can save them in the freezer. Today is May 18th. It is Friday, so right now I'm making eggs, and I'm just heating up some mashed potatoes that were leftover mashed potatoes, and I always just fry it, and it tastes bomb. Anyways, so I thought I would show you what I am making. Alright. So I have the mashed potatoes and 2 eggs, and then I made a quick salad with some feta cheese, tomatoes, and some lettuce. And before, I just doused the tomatoes in a little bit of oil and vinegar and a little bit of dried dill for some flavor and some color. And there you have it, with my lemon water, of course. Hey guys, so I just finished making that video. Right now I'm not wearing any makeup, and I just want to come on here and say I hope you enjoy my food video. If you like that kind of stuff, I would love to do more. I want to do like an in-depth recipe. That was just like a thrown together video of stuff that I've been making like in a couple, maybe like the couple past weeks. I didn't get a lot of footage of some of the really yummy meals that I made this week because I would just forget to film it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and peace. God bless you guys. Enjoy your week. Happy Monday.